honestly. Feels like it's kind of a both ways cut and saw here. And it's going through pretty easy, honestly. All right, so again, just gonna do a little bit more cutting with this and try to stable it with my leg here. And you may have to work your way around with it, or even, dare I say, wipe the teeth out so they kind of get caked up. But you don't have to apply a lot of pressure. You just moderate pressure, and you'll make your way through. May even have to change angles, but again, it's doing the job. I can't really complain about that, guys. Not bad at all. And in that application, you could definitely use it to make little poles for your survival shelter or whatever. I mean, it would work in a kit. May not be optimal, but it does do the trick. And it's held on even with that clip, which is kind of cool. And it looks like the same mount for jigsaw blades.